Warning, spoilers ahead. None of the material about to be shared is owned by me. This video is made out of admiration and love for both the Karate Kid trilogy and the Netflix series Cobra Kai. Thank you. And
no mercy, bitches.
Classic. Oh.
Scrap this and buy some muscle.
Okay. 1965.
I know it is Notre Dame's turn for butt kicking next week.
Hey, where'd you run up the score on Stanford? I felt bad for them.
Does that mean we're gonna get a young Miyagi?
They're the opponent. You don't show them mercy.
Oh. Even no mercy in Dragon 65.
I'm looking at it. Loser. So much. Start a circus. Pardon the interruption. Just thought that.
Wait, does that mean? No. Oh. A little switcheroo. Okay.
The world can be cruel.
Kreese was a nerd.
And that's why you have to learn to be cruel yourself.
Kreese was a nerd.
Weakness is unacceptable.
Miguel's up. Yeah.
This is from your pale friend, Dimitri, is it? He sent the plastic
It's
to the
pale
museum
friend.
assistant, so don't leave it near the window. Water?
Where's Sensei?
That's right. He needs a sensei.
Treat for you. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine.
Oh,
Cool.
I don't like
What's his
that.
name?
No.
I don't know. What should it be?
Ox Jr.
Bert, what do you?
Oh, okay. Yes, the
But you can feed him.
every Cobra Kai needs a pet snake.
What does he like to eat?
He likes to eat
Clarence.
flowers. Okay. You're off the team. Get out!
What?
Whoa.
I said out!
Purge.
Get it!
Oof. He didn't. Kreese can only be with the Wimps for so long. Bye-bye, Clarence. Breathe that new one. That new. Oh, Tori finally.
Say that to Mom.
Okay. We finally meet the brother. Oh. And a sickly mother. Oh, great. I mean, how could she stay badass more? You can't. She's got a sick mom. You can't.
Hey.
Boys. See, now if you had a man instead of a boy,
Oh no!
maybe things would be easier for you. Maybe you wouldn't have to worry about rent.
Oh, pervy Guido. Oh.
You wouldn't sound like a man if I broke your wrist.
I wouldn't do that. What would your probation officer say?
What the hell? He just hit me.
You don't see that?
No one sees it.
No! Damn!
Better start talking. I could do this all day.
Hey. It's not necessary.
Oh, wait a minute.
Is she crying?
You're progressing nicely. How's this feel?
Yeah.
Oh, we're moving fast with him. Okay.
Not this. Normal.
10
Great.
episodes. We gotta see fit.
Yeah, so excited. She's at home cooking up his...
You had to mention the prison, right? Of course you did.
I'm not lying to your way for you.
Johnny's got principles. And he's his Chris Farley to his David Spade, evidently. What's this creep gonna do? Is she like 16? What the? This is weird.
did you find me?
I could say
This.
if you can believe it.
Gotta humanize them now. Oh, I
Really
like it
trust
when
me.
they're bad,
This is
but
charming.
oh, there's the jerk.
So did she get better?
The only guy that could make Kreese look like a good guy. Oh, Kreese is already doing it. Whoa!
I'm fine now. I'm sure he's so scared of you.
Oh, I thought he was gonna break it. I thought for sure he was gonna break it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I've had worse. Need a lift?
What? Ah, I don't want to. I don't
Yeah,
want to
sure
like
hasn't seen
Kreese.
him. Here, I got you what you wanted.
Gas station food.
Yeah, I am.
No one in Newark would say that.
Oh, thank God.
Come on, Louise.
Robbie?
No, Miguel.
That was super convenient.
Drive. Like hell you are.
Fine, I'll go without you.
Here we go. Play Motley. It's time to go a little nuts.
Or not.
It's party time. Two karate champions teaming up. Oh, there we go. They're one shot now. Dodge your wrench. You can dodge your ball. Oh, wow. Double finish. Oh, wow, that was quick. That was what? Whoa, the. Oh, oh.
I'm sorry. What are you, grandpa or something?
Or something.
Please, you don't want to do this.
I think I do. Somebody's gonna teach you to keep your hands to yourself.
Okay, I'll do what you want. I'll do what you want. Come on, man.
Good. I'm gonna make a little arrangement.
Oh, dude.
I trusted you.
No, don't do that. No.
I did everything that you told me.
Come on, Miguel.
Go. Look at me.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Get out of here.
Ah,
Get out of here!
damn it.
Please. Just please.
And he explained to me that he's in.
Whoa, that was way too quick. How did this happen?
What did you do? I told him that you're gonna turn yourself in. Trust me, the sentence will be much like.
When we remove these links, this is what's left.
The purge.
We are one unit with one united.
Okay.
Nichols, welcome back.
Thanks. That issue I was having got worked out.
That did.
And we've got work to do.
Man, this is a oof. This is gonna be
Forward
messy.
strike. Ready?
You'll come back to me?
Some poofy hair for you.
I promise, Thomas. I'm becoming back a hero.
Our enemies think that they're doing what's right.
It's not gonna
They
end
think
good.
they're the
Whatever
hero.
that backstory is not gonna
You're
end
the
good.
villain. But now you know the truth. There is no good.
Promise you. You will be unstoppable.
Wow. Creases. He's a menace. Okay. See you on episode 3.